Hi friends, in this video I would like to show how to install pycharm IDE. Okay, so you all know that for doing Python programming practice, for doing Python projects, we need an integrated development environment, and the popular Python IDE is pycharm. Okay, so in this video I would like to show how to download it and how to install it and how to create applications in pycharm. Okay, so for that you need to open a Google. So I have opened the Google, and here you have to type pycharm. So I will take that pycharm download. Okay, so you can see that the first result itself is called download pycharm Python IDE for professional developers, and the site is for JetBrains. Okay, so JetBrains is the site which develops these IDEs. Okay, so the popular IDEs that developed by JetBrains is like Android Studio, you know that, right? So this pycharm is available in two versions. One is professional version and another one is called community version. Okay, professional version is a free trial version. Actually, it's not a complete free actually. So if you want to have a complete free and open source, okay, we go for this community version. So here you can see that this is the latest version. So version 2021 1.2. So some build number, and that is 2nd June 2021. Okay, so this is the latest Python pycharm version actually. Okay, so I'll just start download it. Okay, the community version I'm just downloading. So here you can see that the download is already started. Okay, it's taking a big time. Okay, so I'll just so the total size is 363 MB. So pycharm is one IDE where you can get all kinds of Python packages and all that. Okay, so you can do any kind of a project in pycharm. Okay, so we'll cover that in next video. So in this video I'll just cover how to install the pycharm only. Okay, my download is almost completed. Okay, so you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Okay, so I'm selecting yes. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, so welcome to pycharm community edition setup. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this next. Okay, so you can see that there is a destination folder. Okay, the default destination folder that we'll select is actually program files. Then there is JetBrains pycharm community edition and so on so version. Okay, the space required is 927.4 MB, and the space available is the total system space. Okay, so if you want to change this, you can browse and you can change to some other folder. Okay, so I'm just keeping it as it is. So it is asking me to select some of the options like create a desktop shortcut. Yes, I'm just checking on that. Okay, so 64-bit launcher, update context menu, and create associations.py, and update path variable. So something like I want to update this path variable because in the path that will be automatically set so that you can save your files and you can run your program. Okay, so I'm not checking any other things. Okay, so I'm just clicking on next. Okay, so I'm just checking this install. So it takes a quite time. So install all the things. It's almost complete. Okay, so it's asking me to finish this. So completing pycharm community edition setups is asking me to reboot, or I want to manually reboot later. Because I'm just finishing it. Okay, friends. So this is the shortcut, that is pycharm community edition, right? So I'm just clicking on this shortcut. So it is asking me to confirm this. Okay, so I'm confirming. Okay, then I'm clicking on continue. So it's asking me to send some data regarding any issues and all that. Okay, so I don't want to send, so I'm just clicking on don't send. So this is the pycharm logo, friends. Okay, you can see here. So it's straight away it is asking us to create projects, new project, or open already existing projects, or get from VCS. Okay, so I'll just take this new project. So it's showing all the locations and all that. Okay, so location is users Luri pycharm projects and Python project. Okay, and it is taking so many asking so many things. Okay, so I don't want to change anything. I'll go with the default settings. Okay, so I'm just saying that create. So it's giving the tip of the day. Okay, I'm just closing this. So when you're first time running your application, actually it takes quite some time. So it's asking me for my approval actually. So I'm saying yes. You can see that it's creating a virtual environment. Okay, so for creating virtual environment, actually it requires Visual C++ packages. Okay, so in all new computers, all the Visual C++ are inbuilt with the Windows 10 actually. So if you are using a older laptop, actually it is also ask you to download that Visual C++ packages. Okay, if that gives that option, okay, so you can check that. Okay, so download that Visual C++ so that pycharm will get exited. Okay, so this is code with me and all that. Okay, you can see that there are all kinds of file options like file, edit, view, navigate, code, refactor. Okay, so there are so many things are available actually. So this is the main function or the main window where you can type all your program over here, right? So this is the main. So this is the run button actually, so green color button. Okay, so if you want to run your project, you can click on that. Okay, so there are so many options like themes and all that. Okay, so I'll just change the theme. Okay, I'm checking this Windows 10 theme. Okay, so light version actually, so it gives a better clarity on this. Okay, so for creating these things actually, what you have to do is first you have to you have to say that's a project. So main.py, so click on this main.py, right click on that, right? So you can say take this new Python file. Okay, you can give a name for that. So I'm saying that hello. So you can say that hello.py. Okay, wherein you can type your program. Okay, so I'm just typing this print hello world. Okay, so if you want to run this actually, you can click on this button, play button like thing. Hello. So hello world. Okay, so here I'm just writing a small program wherein I just want to take a value from the user, like I'm writing this input method and asking to enter your name. Okay, Seenu, welcome to pycharm. Okay, I'm just executing this program. So it's asking me to enter your name. Okay, so here I'll enter my name, Seenu. And it says that hi Seenu, welcome to pycharm. Okay friends, so this is the installation of pycharm, and this is how to write a small program and how to run the program. Okay, so to explore all the features of the pycharm, okay, so we'll make another video. Okay, so until then, bye.